intention setting meditation. Allow yourself to arrive settle in a comfortable position. Your body straight, your eyes can be closed or just gazing into the horizon. But make sure they're soft gazing. Inhale slowly and exhale gently. With each inhalation and exhalation, you breathe, relax, and your breath becomes calm. Now ask yourself, what do I want to embody? Know what you want to get, or what you want to become. Choose one intention. It could be clarity, it could be calm, strength, compassion. Now, with each inhale, silently say what you choose. Like, I embody and the quality that you want to embody. And with each exhalation, feel it spreading around you and your three bodies. And repeat, I cultivate as you inhale, and as you exhale, feel it spreading around you. One more time. I cultivate, and as you exhale, feel it spreading out and enveloping you. Let the intention settle into the three bodies: your energy body, your spirit body, and your physical body. No force, just rooted like a seed that has been planted. Abide in this feeling and sensation. Take a deep breath in into your abdomen. Allow to trust the process. Allow the energy settle in from the head into the heart, and from the heart to the lower dantian. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes.